they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Madam, I think we should call it a day.
No. No. I sure say these people, they use juju. They are using jazz. We have to do something fast.
Hello?
We just have to.
Madam, you see, oh, they don't even see us as women anymore. Hi, Madam, you see, oh.
Good evening, Mary.
Good evening. What can I do for you?
I have been sent to you to come and explain the circumstances surrounding your husband's sickness.
Gentlemen, I'm not ready to discuss anything concerning that man. So, if you wouldn't mind, you can leave. You can see I'm busy.
Mary, the Lord says you should go back to your husband and help him fight against the disease.
You're an angel of the Lord. Wait, let me give him a chance.
You know things say Emily them the girls they use some juju.
Helena, what do you mean by juju? Me, I don't believe in that kind of thing. No. I think it's the market that is not good. On a good day, the sun will shine on us. You girls, make you relax. Ajale, you are talking about sunshine whilst they are using juju. I believe in juju. I believe in juju.
Hey, Atole, what? Atole. Don't be naive. I know say we experienced bad days before. But for continuous one-man drive, it no be normal. Eh? Something there for the soup inside. And you're sitting here telling me you don't believe in juju. I believe in juju. Me too, I believe in juju.
Well, I don't believe in juju.
I believe in juju.
I believe in juju.
I strongly believe in juju.
I believe in juju. I believe in juju. I believe in juju. I don't believe in juju.
I strongly
believe in juju. I believe in juju. I strongly believe in juju. I believe in juju. What is all this? I believe juju. I believe juju. I don't believe juju. What is the problem?
Madam, you know things say Emily them the girls they use some juju.
So what are you girls up to?
Madam, I get some powerful juju man where he dey my hometown. Madam, we for go see him. We for go see him for help.
My dear, 1 month dry, sha, no dey easy. But when it comes to juju or those kind of jazz, me, I don't believe in those kind of jazz. And I'm not going to be part of it. All we have to do is change our location. Period.
Hi.
Hi,
You want a night?
Hi, darling.
No. You want a night?
Hi. You want to spend the night with me? Hi.
Hello.
Do you want a night?
We're here for 2 weeks now. Eh? And nothing seems to be happening. Look at those 2 girls. Eh? Anytime they come here, they get customers quick. Helena, now this issue is beyond my comprehension. And Madam won't do anything about it. Eh? You see, I've exhausted all the savings that they make. Now look at me. I don't know what to do to myself. I'm tired. You know it. My whole family, they depend on me for their everyday chop. Eh? More than 3 months now. I don't make 1 cedi. I don't go fit continue like this. Me, I won't leave for home. I won't leave. Yeah, I'm making my plans. For me to do. Madam, I won't take the lead. Nothing seems to be happening.
Oh, Mitiasi, why? Me woo yo. Mitiasi, me woo yo. Oh, Yamina, Dumti, me woo yo. Oh, Hong Kong crowd romantic, me woo yo. Mitiasi, me woo yo, why? Mitiasi, why? Me say me woo yo. Oh, Yamina, Dumti, me woo yo. Oh, Hong Kong crowd romantic, me woo ya cry. I don't know, yes, I don't know, I don't know, yes, I don't know. So, time for the move over me, so I don't know, means you run your best biara. I don't know, yes, I don't know, yes, I don't know. So, time for the move over me, so I don't know, means you run your best biara. Mary, what are you doing here?
Pastor, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Pastor, I've come back for you.
Mary, where are you taking me to?
To the city, Pastor.
I can't go back to the city. I have no place to live. Besides, Mr. Mensah has taken his room.
Pastor, please. Don't worry. I've got my own apartment. Sorry.
Please. Pastor, please. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Hello. Pastor. You coming to Kumasi today? Good. Yes. Where? How many? 1? Yes, I can do it. No problem. No problem. What will you bring for me? Ah! Thank you so much in advance. I'll be expecting your call, okay? Save Jenny. Girls, I've got good news for you.
What good news?
Venice, the pastor I talked to you about is coming down today. And he has asked me to find a girl for a colleague. Venice, this is the best opportunity for you. Don't miss this.
Hey, I can't go out with a man of God. This is a sinful sin. Please, count me out.
What is sinful sin? Huh? Also for the Onyenipa. Huh? Also for only feelings, Anna. Simhuako. What about you, Tina?
Does he have money?
Tina! Yes. Relax, Tina. Relax. I saw funny dear. Winyawa. Otuyan kasa. They will do everything for you. Hey!
When is he coming?
Today.
It's a deal. Seko krama fereso besi wo hwan so a. O so on fereso de druba taraso.
Yes, yes, you know, they are on their way, okay? Come on. Oh. Go.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
woye ntoboasie ti de woye bia no nyabotre kokosa jifa wodi me panyinche ade wo hu bi da no hwe wo bi ehu abre so bi ni ma wo bi tre feso ginya me de se bibia wone mre de jai se wo krome ma to pre ena kwesi kome kokodwo ho na yare ye kana wante wo kwante ade ye de se wo gina ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase se wo hu ye na go no be che wo krache baba so kram wow so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter.